ये सब जो है उन्होंने घी में बनाया है. घी is much more healthy than any kind of oil.
Wait a minute.
I don't consume dairy at all. No dairy. I do not consume any kind of dairy.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Hello guys, what's up? This is basically the clean shaven version of Zelocity. My name is Zarash and I'm a performance nutritionist and a certified personal trainer. So what I'm gonna do today is I have picked another Pandey to basically make a video on, and I found Komal Pandey, a fashion blogger, and she's a model. She made a video on what she eats in a day. And now what I'm gonna do is the way I made a review analysis of what Ananya Pandey eats in a day, and if it's right or wrong, what she did right, what she did wrong, and what basically is weird in her diet and what you can do better. So the same way I'm gonna do with Komal Pandey. So let's get into the video.
क्या बनाया? कैसे बनाया है?
हरी मिर्ची डाला
हाँ
और प्याज डाला
हाँ.
और
ये क्या है? ये क्या है लेकिन?
चीला है।
अच्छा चलो ठीक है, रख दो यहाँ पे. और क्या है?
ओके ये क्या है? क्या लगाया है? क्या बनाया है? ये कैसे बनाया है? और क्या है? क्यों क्यों परेशान कर रही हो यार अपने काम वालियों को? ऐसे ना करो यार.
पानी है, बस पानी है. अभी ये यहाँ पे चाय बन रही है. हाँ, तो हम लोग सिर्फ बादाम वाला दूध पीते हैं इस घर में. तो यस ये है. मैं ये दूध पीती हूँ, आमंड मिल्क, सो गुड. या तो आमंड मिल्क पीती हूँ या तो सोया मिल्क पीती हूँ. सोया मिल्क जनरली आई लाइक विद कॉफी मोर. आमंड मिल्क इज गुड फॉर चाय एंड ऑल, आई फील, पर्सनल चॉइस. तो ये वाला दूध हम लोग यूज करते हैं. एंड आई डोंट कंज्यूम डेयरी एट ऑल. बस इट्स अ चॉइस. आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यू गाइज टू डू इट. बट ना मैं कंज्यूम करती हूँ ना अपने घर में मम्मी पापा किसी को भी लेने देती हूँ. आई जस्ट फील इट्स मच हेल्दियर टू हैव आमंड मिल्क.
So she doesn't consume dairy at all. तो क्यों नहीं करती है? इन्होंने बताया it's healthier but personal choice. She said mixed answers, mixed feelings में उन्होंने आंसर दिया है. So my take on it, if you are lactose intolerant then you must restrict dairy, especially the ones that have lactose. Like curd does not have lactose. You can have curd even if you are lactose intolerant. Curd, basically when the curdling process happens and the bacteria acts upon the milk, the lactose sugar converts to lactic acid, which is basically the substance that you find in curd and not lactose. So that is why lactose intolerant people can also have curd. They can also have paneer, in fact, because again curdling process, दूध फाड़ के जब पनीर बनता है, most of the lactose is converted to lactic acid, and वो जो पानी छूटता है उसमें बहुत सारा lactose चला जाता है, तो मेन जो पनीर बच जाता है उसमें there is very less lactose. So lactose intolerant people do not face the same problems as having milk, like the digestion problems, bloating problem, and severe gastric issues, severe acne. ये सब जो problems होते हैं they face only with lactose from milk, not from paneer. ज़्यादा मैंने देखी नहीं है, बहुत rarely कोई ऐसा होता है. Okay, so her restricting dairy can only be because of two reasons: if she's lactose intolerant, which she hasn't mentioned, or she wants to be vegan. That is why she told she doesn't consume any dairy at all. That is the only thing, which the only two assumptions that I find. For you, the viewer, what you should do: have normal milk if you are not lactose intolerant, because the normal milk has more protein, more amount of calcium, more other vitamins and minerals than almond milk, than soya milk too. Okay, let's go ahead.
That's my egg also. So apart from all of
She's eating eggs, so the vegan logic theory is ruled out. She's definitely not vegan.
So this is what my breakfast looks like right now. That's चीला. ये बेसन का चीला है. इसमें प्याज और मिर्ची वगैरह है. इसको ऑलिव ऑयल में बनाया है, ज़्यादा ऑलिव ऑयल नहीं डाला है. And that's how I like it. And these are some fruits. I'm not sure if I'll have the plum because last time I had these, they tasted extremely sour. So I'm not sure. But I'm a big fan of grapes. That's some warm water. And that's the almond milk टी. एंड ये है जैगरी. अब ये है गुड़ पाउडर. मैं चीनी नहीं लेती हूँ बिल्कुल भी.
Okay, so let's come to the meal first. She showed her eggs which were boiling, and when she's actually down for breakfast, when she's actually sitting for the breakfast, starting her breakfast, I don't see egg there. I just see the chila. You can call that a vegan omelette or a vegetarian omelette, but I don't see the eggs anymore on the table, on the plate, on her plate yet. So what she's having is Let's come to the चीनी नहीं लेती हूँ वाला part in a few moments. First, let's see. So the besan chila has mostly carbohydrates. Then coming to the fruit has mostly carbohydrates. Then coming to the chai, which has almond milk, so there's no protein. अगर फिर भी काऊ दूध होता, like काऊ मिल्क या बफेलो मिल्क होता तो थोड़ा सा प्रोटीन उसमें आ जाता, थोड़ा सा भी आता है एटलीस्ट, लेकिन इन्होंने बनाया आलमंड मिल्क से तो उसमें भी प्रोटीन बहुत कम होता है, so there's no protein again. Then she's adding शुगर के जगह जैगरी पाउडर एंड लेट्स सी कितने स्पून हो गए.
कितने चम्मच डालोगे? 1 चम्मच. एक और डालो ना.
चाहिए
हाँ, एक और डाल दो. थोड़ा सा थोड़ा सा.
ओके, सो उन्होंने 1 स्पून लिया, जैगरी पाउडर में डिप किया, 1 बड़ा चम्मच डाला चाय में, मिक्स किया, फिर उसने बोला नहीं नहीं और 1 चम्मच चाहिए मेरे को, और वो सेम स्पून लेके उन्होंने सेम डब्बे में मिक्स करके गीले स्पून से उन्होंने और 1 चम्मच जैगरी पाउडर लेके फिर डाला है वापस. व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन? आई डोंट नो. डू यू यूज द सेम वेट स्पून दैट यू पुट इन द cup to take more sugar or jaggery or whatever? Do you reuse the same wet spoon again? Please comment down below if you do. I don't think that's normal. At least it's not normal for me. If it is for you, then comment down below because I really like to know ऐसे प्राणी कहाँ से आते हैं.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं ये?
Now also coming back to her jaggery. Okay, वो चीनी बिल्कुल नहीं लेती है, वो jaggery लेती है. But let me break it down for you. Okay, jaggery and sugar are pretty much the same. So there is no superiority for jaggery over sugar or honey over sugar. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Sugar, honey and jaggery fall under the same branch. So don't think that oh I'm consuming honey, so मैं तो sugar बिल्कुल नहीं लेती हूँ, मैं jaggery लेती हूँ, मैं sugar नहीं लेती हूँ. It's pretty much the same thing. Caloric value, both of them have the equal amount of carbohydrates per 100 grams. The glycemic index almost similar. I have also made a video about sugar versus honey and jaggery, क्या better है क्या नहीं है, and obviously तीनों same है. I just broke it down in the video so that you can understand better. I'm gonna link it here. You can check it out later. So what she could have done better is she can use a natural 0-calorie sweetener instead of sugar, something like stevia, something like monk fruit sweetener. These are basically 0-calorie plant derived 0-calorie organic sweeteners. ठीक है? So if you use that, it is much better than using sugar, jaggery or honey. Coconut sugar, palm jaggery, date sugar, beet sugar, it's all the same. Okay, don't be fooled by all these stupid fancy names. ये सब सेम है. Sugar is sugar, honey is sugar, jaggery is sugar. Simple. End of story.
तो जनरली सुबह सुबह आज मेरा वर्कआउट का दिन नहीं था, बट अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग आई वर्कआउट इज़ वेल. तो राइट बिफोर माई वर्कआउट आई जनरली हैव 4 pieces of बादाम.
Okay, so generally right before my workout I have 4 pieces of badam.
केला मैं खाना पसंद नहीं करती हूँ, तो केला होता नहीं है घर में. या फिर ब्लैक कॉफ़ी.
So for the viewer again, ऐसे आप मत सोचो कि अरे ये she eats 4 badam before workout, so I should also eat 4 badam, then I will be like her, I will look gorgeous and my skin will glow and all sorts of silly things. She also then goes on to say that she has black coffee. So chalo theek hai, that's basically caffeine. Black coffee has caffeine. So caffeine consumption before a workout will help you get through the workout much better and it'll give you the energy and the stimulant. Basically caffeine is a stimulant. CNS, central nervous system ko stimulate karega to basically produce, to give you that adrenaline rush, to give you that whoa I can get through this, the mental focus, the energy levels peaking. That's basically what caffeine does. Okay, if I were Komal Pandey's nutritionist, I would have told her that okay, if you really want to eat something pre-workout, because see empty stomach workouts are absolutely fine, you can have just black coffee and go for the workout. If you would like to have some energy, if you don't feel energetic during a workout without eating food, then have a meal. I would suggest a meal 30 to 60 minutes before, which has basically, if she wants to consume almond milk, it can be almond milk with half or 1 scoop whey protein with basically some few pieces of fruit or few nuts, something like that, right? That is how I would design her meal, with a good amount of protein, with some good amount of maybe carbs or fats, which will actually give her the energy to get through the workout. But not 4 pieces of badam. So if she has a trainer or a nutritionist telling her to eat only 4 pieces of badam or else you'll gain fat, then he's wrong or she's wrong or she is wrong to do it on her own, whatever. Okay, let's move forward.
So for lunch today, again, not something very heavy. So I'm having brown rice. I'm a big time sucker of rice. But too bad I can't have it on a daily basis. Like not the normal rice because काफी carbs होते हैं उसमें.
She cannot have the normal rice on a daily basis, and because काफ़ी carbs होते हैं उसमें. This is another myth that most people have. Carbohydrates are carbohydrates. Brown rice does not make it superior in any way. Brown rice has just little bit of fiber extra than white rice, okay? And they have the same amount of calories, same amount of carbohydrates. So ऐसा नहीं है कि white rice has इतने सारे carbs है इसमें. काफ़ी carbs होते हैं white rice में. तो brown rice में भी उतने ही काफ़ी होते हैं जितने white rice में होते हैं, ठीक है? So you need to make sure that what you're doing, what you're eating makes sense to at least yourself first. If you have a trainer or a nutritionist, question them, why are you giving me brown rice over white rice? Because there are clients, my clients, that eat white rice and still lose weight, or if that's her goal, losing weight or staying healthy, then she can include white rice in her diet and still be healthy. So I'm not saying that brown rice is bad, but white rice and brown rice have the same amount of carbs, okay? There.
Then we have dal. I love yellow dal, and we have beans. That's it. I love beans. I love green sabzi. I'll show you मैं कितना खाती हूँ. So right now I have 2 bowls here, one for me, one for Divya. Divya is right behind. तो दिव्या को मैं अपने से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा दूंगी. But I'll show you how much I have. This is my bowl. This is 1 spoon. This is the second spoon. That's it. इतना लूँगी मैं. और अब मैं इसमें बहुत सारा दाल डालूंगी, बहुत सारा दाल डालूंगी. तो अब ये दाल डाला है इसमें. नाउ सब्जी डालेंगे बहुत सारी. Oh my god, I love beans. Normally I like having achar or like garlic chutney with it, but आज मैं ऐसे ही खाऊंगी. बस, that's it.
So did you see what she just did there? She told that मैम मेरी फ्रेंड दिव्या जो है उसके लिए थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा रखूँगी खाना, and then she goes on to put 90% of the beans वाला thing into her bowl, and she's like मैं दिव्या को थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा दूंगी. वो तो पीछे उसको झूठ बोलेगी कि देख इतना ही बना था, इसमें से मैंने थोड़ा सा ही लिया बस करके. Bad यार, कोमल, very bad.
Yes, that's it. मैं कभी कभी इसके साथ सैलेड भी ले लेती हूँ, like खीरा and all, but आज मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा है. I feel like having a light lunch.
Let's break the lunch meal down, okay? So what she had was a decent serving of rice. Maybe that was like 150 grams of rice cooked, because I can see and maybe estimate. I might be wrong here because obviously she hasn't mentioned kitna grams tha rice, which has about 30 grams of carbohydrates, give or take. Then she puts dal, like loads of dal, which again has carbohydrates. Dal is not a protein source, okay? It is majorly a carbohydrate source. If you Google dal nutrition value, then you will see that dal has 60% carbohydrates and 20% protein per weight, okay? The gram per gram if you see. So that makes it a carbohydrate source and not a protein source. So if you're having dal for protein, I would rather suggest that you have something else along with it. Like you can add a big bowl of curd if you don't feel that hungry. Reduce the quantity of rice, put some dal and add a big bowl, about 200 grams of curd. She could have used paneer. If she doesn't have dairy, she could have used at least tofu, but she just has dal, which has more carbohydrates. And then she has beans. So beans again have carbohydrates. So there are no protein sources in her meal, and I personally feel that her meal could have been much better. If I were her nutritionist, I would have at least added some tofu in there. So we need protein in our diet, and she's also working out, so it makes it more important for her to consume more protein, and currently she's not eating enough protein. Very clear.
Generally, I am a big lover of these chips called Nachni chips. You know, they're healthy, and so they're basically low calorie healthy snacks. You can binge on it, and way better than those processed chips that you get otherwise. And then I also snack on fruits. I told you I love grapes. I love watermelon juice.
Okay, 2 things. One, she's having the chips, whatever chips those are, she's having it with fruit because it's her snack. But again, guys, fruit and chips both have carbohydrates. So the entire day, abhi tak she's eating only carbohydrates in the entire day. The only protein source that I saw was eggs in the morning. एंड दैट इज़ अबाउट इट. और कुछ नहीं, वर्चुअली और कहीं प्रोटीन नहीं आया, एंड दैट्स रियली कंसर्निंग. एंड शी वर्क्स आउट टू, सो व्हाट इज शी डूइंग विथ हर डाइट? You have to make sure that you're combining it with some protein source. Where is the goddamn protein?
Control. Control, Uday.
And so they gave me these rice flakes, and it's a very cool mixture of flax seeds, fennel seeds, jaggery. I love jaggery. And then this cocktail seed mix. Now ये सब जो है उन्होंने घी में बनाया है. Ghee is much more healthy than any kind of oil.
Wait a minute.
I don't consume dairy at all. No dairy. I do not consume any kind of dairy.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
मतलब आपने पहले बोला कि I don't consume dairy at all. फिर second time she told that I don't consume dairy at all. Yes, ghee is the best thing to use. If you want to use any oil या cooking के लिए use करना है तो ghee is the best thing to use. Or coconut oil, because ghee and coconut oil have saturated fat. Saturated fat is not basically broken down when you heat anything. आप कुछ cooking के लिए जब घी और coconut oil use करते हो तो ghee and coconut oil have a high smoke point. They don't turn rancid. Rancid मतलब it will basically clog your arteries. It will cause problems. It can be carcinogenic. So that is why it's better to use ghee and coconut oil, because they don't break down easily. Olive oil, extra virgin, if you're using, it's still fine. You can use that. But if you're using any other oil, it's bad. Now coming to her point, ghee is a dairy source. Okay, ghee is basically a dairy source of food basically. तो वो आता है, जिसको नहीं पता, for those living under a rock, ghee is made from cow milk or buffalo milk. Okay, from animal source. It's an animal source. So if she's saying that she doesn't consume dairy, then she's actually wrong there. She needs to correct two statements. One, she consumes dairy. She doesn't consume milk. Second, she needs to really educate herself, or someone needs to educate her. I would love to, but उस तक वीडियो जाना चाहिए ये. But her trainer or coach or whatever nutritionist she hasn't educated Komal Pandey yet, or he hasn't educated Komal Pandey yet, that sugar and jaggery have the same nutritional value, the same amount of carbohydrates. So when she says मैं चीनी नहीं लेती हूँ, मेरे को jaggery बहुत पसंद है, she's actually, see this bottle here, it's in front of me. If I close my eyes, there's no bottle in front of me, right? This is basically her. She thinks she's not having sugar, but she's having sugar. उनके आंखों के सामने उनको दिख नहीं रहा. Someone needs to educate her and tell her that, oh, wake up, see that it's in front of you, and what you're eating is sugar, and what the ghee that you're using is dairy. Okay?
So till the time you're not passionate about, your body, your skin, your hair, it's a very difficult ride. Like, I'm at a place where for me, my body, my skin, my hair is the most important things that I need to take care of, because I feel like your body is your God, and this is something God has gifted you.
Okay, so now when she says that she's extremely healthy now, she used to be unhealthy and she used to not really love herself, love her body, take care of her body, and then now she's extremely religiously following this whole healthy routine, and she wants to keep herself healthy. Her body, her skin and her hair health is the most important thing to her, and no wonder she's into fashion. It's actually very good that everyone should take care of their, even you, the viewer, should take care of yourself. Prioritize your health, prioritize your fitness, work out, and focus on healthy eating for the most part of your diet. Prioritize protein, Komal Pandey. Prioritize protein, the viewer, everybody prioritize protein. It's a healthy, friendly reminder coming from a nutritionist and a fitness coach. Eat your goddamn protein.
So, dinner में बहुत ही light लेती हूँ, especially because a lot of times in the daytime, even though I have brown rice, rice is rice, and it is carbs.
Even though I have brown rice and rice is rice and it has carbs. So she's accepting that rice is rice, but white rice is still more carby, whatever the word is, than brown rice, but rice is rice, okay? Rice is rice.
So I try and take my dinner extremely light. I don't take wheat in my dinner. I try and eat chicken or like soya or any kind of salad.
She's saying that she keeps her dinner light, okay? So should you keep your dinner light? There is no scientific evidence which basically points to the fact that eating a light dinner is healthier for you, okay? You can eat a heavy dinner, because I eat a heavy dinner. I love having a big plate of dinner and I eat lots of protein and lots of carbohydrates too, and I eat lots of healthy fats too in my meal, and then I go to bed and it's absolutely fine. I don't directly go to bed, obviously. I wait for an hour or two, that's bed, so that like you don't directly have lots of food floating in your tummy when you go to bed. Light dinner करना है सेहत के लिए अच्छा है, carbs कम खाना डिनर में सेहत के लिए अच्छा है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Okay, you can have a good heavy meal too, as long as your nutritionist or your coach or what you are doing is basically according to your body, the requirements of your body, the quality and the quantity of food is on point, then you don't need to worry about these things कि लाइट डिनर खाओ, हेवी डिनर खाओ, 8 बजे के बाद कार्ब्स मत खाओ, 6 बजे के बाद कोई नमक मत खाओ, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बकवास है ये सब.
But today I felt like having a salad. So I ordered grilled chicken salad from this place called Salad Company. So I'm having grilled chicken salad with a lot of lettuce. For this video, this is what I eat in a day. And in case you feel that I eat really less, don't worry, I don't. I have a trainer who trains me every day. She knows what I eat, how much I eat, and I eat as much as I should according to my height and weight.
Thank you so much, Komal, for letting me know. There's actually a trainer that trains you, and she knows how much she's eating. Abey chup. Okay, so the trainer comes to train Komal Pandey, right? The trainer is a she. She knows how much Komal is eating and how much she should eat for her body weight and height and her body type. I don't think your trainer knows that. Komal, no offense to that trainer, your trainer Komal, she really needs to understand that you are not eating as much protein for your body type and your height and weight. I'm sorry, I don't mean any offense. She should actually educate herself and make herself more knowledgeable and smart that for her, Komal Pandey's body type and workout, she's not eating enough protein. She's definitely, I can definitely say that Komal Pandey is eating only 1/4 or 1/3 of the protein that she should be eating. If I were Komal Pandey's nutritionist, I would have definitely given her some whey protein powder or some plant protein powder. I would actually give her whey protein isolate. I would educate her that see, whey protein isolate has very less lactose. So if you're concerned about lactose, you won't get that lactose. Skin problem नहीं होने वाला आपको कुछ भी, ठीक है? Take this whey protein isolate. You'll also have enough protein in your diet, and then it's also tasty. You'll also like it. And then I would have given her some curd, because curd does not have lactose again. I would have told her that ghee is a dairy source, and dairy sources are not bad for health. Having no milk and having almond milk is not healthier, especially if you're not lactose intolerant. Rest, she's having her vegetables, she loves her vegetables. That would have made it easier for me to make her a good nutrition plan and a workout routine which would have complemented each other. So all in all, it's a good diet. I would rate it about 6 out of 10. She's healthier than the average typical Indian diet where the bad oils are used and then lots of rotis are there and then lots of rice is there and less protein is there. At least she's having some protein. So I would rate it 5.5 or 6 out of 10. Okay, and lots of scope for improvement. All right, let's hope that Komal Pandey actually gets educated about this. And yeah. So that was the video for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Share this video with as many people as you can. If this video reaches Komal Pandey, then yes, Komal Pandey will get a little bit of education from a good nutritionist. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video again, and I will see you in the next video.